Xiaomi EV Factory. Conquering emotions with breakthroughs in manufacturing. Xiaomi SU7. In the bustling metropolis of Beijing, where innovation and technology converge, Xiaomi's electric vehicle, EV, factory stands as a beacon of progress and ingenuity. As a company renowned for pushing the boundaries of technological advancement, Xiaomi's foray into the electric car market with the SU7 model marks a significant milestone in its journey towards sustainable mobility solutions. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable breakthroughs achieved at Xiaomi's EV factory, which are revolutionizing the landscape of electric car manufacturing. At the heart of Xiaomi's EV factory lies an intricate web of automation, where precision meets efficiency in every step of the production process. With a staggering fleet of 269 interconnected robots, the assembly of the Xiaomi SU7's alloy steel frame unfolds seamlessly, showcasing the pinnacle of automated manufacturing prowess. This level of automation not only enhances productivity but also ensures unparalleled consistency and accuracy, setting new benchmarks in the industry. Quality is the cornerstone of every Xiaomi product, and the SU7 electric car is no exception. Leveraging cutting-edge LiDAR technology, each SU7 chassis undergoes a meticulous automated inspection, with precision levels reaching an astonishing 0.05 mm. This rigorous quality control process guarantees the safety, durability, and performance of every vehicle, instilling confidence in both drivers and passengers alike. Innovation knows no bounds at Xiaomi, where a relentless pursuit of excellence drives continuous advancements in electric vehicle technology. With the establishment of 29 state-of-the-art laboratories within the factory premises, Xiaomi's research and development teams are at the forefront of pioneering new features and techniques for future electric car models. This dedication to innovation ensures that Xiaomi remains at the forefront of the electric car revolution, delivering cutting-edge solutions to meet the evolving needs of consumers worldwide. Beyond conquering the electric car market, Xiaomi is committed to shaping a more sustainable future through its manufacturing practices. By embracing fully automated production lines and adhering to stringent quality testing standards, Xiaomi not only minimizes its environmental footprint but also sets new standards for sustainable manufacturing in the automotive industry. The company's unwavering commitment to sustainability underscores its vision of creating a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. In conclusion, Xiaomi's EV factory represents a bold step forward in the journey towards sustainable mobility, where innovation, automation, and sustainability converge to redefine the future of electric car manufacturing. As Xiaomi continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, the SU7 model stands as a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to excellence and its relentless pursuit of a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.